Hello, I'm your instructor, Chris M., and I just wanted to remind you where some stuff is on our website for Canvas. Thank you for taking my survey, if you've done so far. And just viewing that, I've noticed that there are a few people that aren't able to find the things I put on my website, and they're there for you to help. So I wanted to go through this very briefly to just show you where things are. So when you do log into Canvas and you're in your account, so this is Intermediate Algebra's account, if you go down to modules, that's where most of the content will be. The first link is my weekly schedule. Since you're already enrolled in the class, you shouldn't need to worry about these documents anymore. So I will think about putting this down further now that we're into our course. Of course, you can access the software through this HAWX single sign-on. It'll take you to a new window. And online office hours with Zoom are here. So you can open the link through this site, or you can use the link that I give you tonight on Wednesday nights. Here are the MRC links for open enrolling and tutoring here. So the MRC also has some online office hours. The thing that I really wanted to show you was the content in the course. So we are getting down into chapter 3 now. And I wanted to make you aware of some of these notes that were there. So even though this isn't college algebra, for some of the content, I do have notes here. Like for instance, if we're looking at graphing inequalities, I do have these notes so you can practice with them. The next links will be actually videos. So these are where the videos are housed too. And usually at the end of the section, I have those notes filled in. So if you did try those notes, you can see some of these examples worked out, or you can just go straight to the punchline and look at the filled in notes. So I wanted to show you where those were. And again, they're under modules. So just go to modules, go down to the section you're in. So we were looking at section 3.1, for instance, and we can open up the notes. So some of these sections will have notes. For college algebra, all of them do. For intermediate algebra, I have some of them having notes. Sometimes you'll have to be patient. I find that if you click like the next link and then go back, that sometimes it opens, sometimes it doesn't. And the videos here. So these videos, a lot of them open in a new window. So I have at least one video for each section. This one's opening in this window. But I have more when you need them. Also, as you know, especially in intermediate algebra, as you go through those HAWX Learn videos, those really do work through nice examples there. So I just wanted to show you where things were in the course. If you're in my college algebra course, things are working pretty much the same. So for instance, if I go on to college algebra, let's pick my late start course and go to student view. You just go down to the modules and we have pretty much the same thing. So my late start course, probably about in section 2.5 and 6 here. So for every section, I do have notes. This one's a little bit bigger, so you may need to wait a little while for it to download. There it comes. I don't know why the other ones took so long. And here, it's important to check out these videos. So if I click on this link, it'll take me out to a video. I have the chalk dust videos. I have some of my own videos that I've created, and then there are HAWX videos too. So there's another chalk dust, and another one. and there's a EduCreations video that I created. So I hope that these things will help you in your course. If you have any questions or problems, please continue to email me, see me through Zoom office hours, or set up an appointment with me so we can do just what I'm doing here. You can see my screen, and we can go through problems together. All right. Well, I hope that your course is going well for you, and please do reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.